Whoa, who are you? Silverbolt, maximize. Whoa. Hello there, Silverbolt. Hello there. How are you doing? Wow, you're a bit top heavy, are you? Here I am. Well, anyways, I just bought a new dance move, and it's called Narrow Gauge. Whee! Woohoo! Yes! I enjoy being a smoke jumper. Oh, I can't wait till Cars 4 came out. Well, it's coming out in probably 2026 or something. I don't know. Maybe, just maybe. Okay. Maybe we'll have to wait. Yeah, good idea. Let's do this. Now, I wonder though. I wonder if hopefully Cars 4 will come out real soon. Yeah. That marks the end of Cars and Trains. See you all next time. Bye bye.